Welcome to one of the many circle sessions hosted by Wonder Girls. Wonder Girls is a nationwide classrooms movement. We bring relatable female role models into classroom settings through our circle sessions. As you will see, the crux of these sessions is its dialogic nature. We're currently working with classrooms across 7 Indian cities and continuing to grow. Our aim is for every adolescent in India to have access to relatable female role models. I welcome you once again and hope you enjoy learning from our role models' life journey and career path.
Bacha, number one thing is we'll set rule, okay? The rules are same. You will remain on mute unless you have to speak. And whenever you have to ask question, you will raise your hand. ठीक है? Nobody will unmute themselves in between and shout कि अरे दीदी आवाज नहीं आ रहा, अरे दीदी क्या हो गया? ठीक है? Simple rules. And a very warm welcome to everybody, all the fellows and kids who are here today, and of course Wonder Girls team and Shami. First of all, yeah, huge thank you to Wonder Girls to give us this opportunity. Kids are really looking forward to it. I remember one of my kids texted me like a hour ago कि दीदी कभी नहीं सोचा था हम लोग इतने बड़े लोगों से मिलेंगे. So kids are like super excited. So today we have with us Shami Mukherjee, a wonder girl who went out breaking the stereotypes and made a path for herself. Shami began her career as an executive producer in ZTV. After her stint in television, after a stint in television, she moved to Bollywood and she's a casting director right now. She has worked in films like Masan, Veere Di Wedding, Bajrangi Bhaijaan, Dangal, Tubelight, Badlapur, and many more movies. And all of you know what is a casting director, right? मैंने आप लोग को बताया था, the one who chooses actors and actresses हाँ for a movie कि इस movie में अच्छा हमें ऐसा ऐसा actor चाहिए तो हम इनको choose करते हैं. Okay. So the session today mainly revolves around the interaction between the kids and of course Shami Didi. So you will be asking whatever questions you want to ask from Shami Didi. And as Mansi already told, no, wait, Gaurav. as Mansi Didi already told that, we were to meet Shami Didi in March. But then, of course, pandemic happened and we couldn't meet her. So we thought to meet her today and we are really glad to have you on board with us, Shami.
Thank you so much. Thanks, Mommy. In fact, I would have loved to meet everybody in person, but अभी corona हो गया है तो मतलब we can't do anything. And thanks to technology that it's still possible for us to hang like this. It's awesome. So tell me how, to be honest, I think Mommy has explained it correctly. A casting director is somebody who reads the script. I think immediately after the writer, a casting director's role comes into play when you actually start bringing it to life, these stories. So you will start with the actors who you think would be right for the part. Now, sometimes films are written keeping in mind an actor. For example, if just to give you an example, there was a film called Badla that came with Amitabh. The other, and then if there are any more questions, then I'm more than happy to answer.
We can go ahead like this.
Yes.
Naveen, you can go first, but nobody will unmute and say Didi, okay? I can see your hands raised on the chat box, so I will pick you. Okay, Naveen, you can start with your question. And one thing before that, तो बच्चा आप लोग हिंदी में भी बात कर सकते हैं, okay?
हाँ, Hindi, English, I'm okay with both. Let me also open the questions that I got. Sorry.
Yeah. So Naveen, you can start with your question.
Yes, Didi. Hello, hi everyone. I'm Bodh Naveen from Standard 7. And I wanted to ask Shami Didi that how do you feel when your movie has got hit?
Has got hit. Okay. Naveen, I'll be honest, once the film goes on floor, once you've cast all the actors, a lot of times you also detach. लाइक काम हो गया है, अभी फिल्म आएगी, लोग देखेंगे, अगर अप्रिशिएट करेंगे तो इट्स गुड फॉर मी इन टर्म्स ऑफ recognition. But outside of that, I sort of tend not to like worry about, oh, what's going to happen when the film is going to come out. And to be honest, the job a lot is dependent on the director and the actors, and it's a team effort, right? So obviously you feel happy when a film does well, but it doesn't stop me, because by the time you've cast for the film and by the time it releases, you've already moved on to other things. So while it's great to be recognized if the film does well, I don't think about it that much also. Once my job is done, then I'm just like, it's not like I'm waiting for it. If it happens, then great. If it doesn't, then I sort of just try and figure out what's the next thing for me. Does that answer your question?
Yes, Didi.
Okay, Prince Vishwakarma, you want to go next?
Yeah, दीदी मेरा नाम प्रिंस है.
Hi,
ठीक है,
Prince.
तो मैं 7th स्टैंडर्ड में पढ़ता हूँ.
हाँ
दीदी,
जी.
कभी आपके साथ ऐसा हुआ कि आप एकदम डिसअपॉइंटेड हो गए हो और आपका कभी ऐसे मन नहीं कर
तो बहुत पेशेंस चाहिए रहता है क्योंकि बच्चे बहुत ऑनेस्ट होते हैं और बहुत शैतानी करते हैं और आपको बहुत परेशान कर देते हैं कई बार. एंड द बेस्ट थिंग अबाउट बच्चों के साथ काम करने में सबसे ज्यादा अच्छी बात ये होती है कि उनको कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता, चाहे आप बहुत बड़े स्टार हो या बहुत बड़ी फिल्म हो. दे आर फ्री, राइट? उनको बस फन करना है. A lot of times it is very difficult. A lot of times it becomes very hard to control. लेकिन हाँ, ऐसा मेरे साथ हुआ है कभी कभी that I am almost feeling like अरे ये कास्टिंग नहीं हो रही है. या a lot of times I am not going to name anybody, मैं किसी का नाम नहीं लूंगी, लेकिन a lot of directors are very difficult. उनको उनके जो ब्रीफ्स होते हैं वो भी इतने हार्ड होते हैं कि कई बार हम लोग ने 400 एक्टर्स को भी ऑडिशन करने के बाद डायरेक्टर को कोई पसंद नहीं आता है. तो ऐसा होता है हमारे साथ कई बार कि ऐसे लगता है कि अभी नहीं मिलेगा. बट अगेन एट द एंड ऑफ द डे ना क्या होता है कि एक शूटिंग का डेट होता है और एक कास्टिंग का पीरियड होता है. उसके आगे तो जाएगा नहीं, शूटिंग तो करना पड़ेगा. हाँ जी.
दीदी मेरा लाइट गया.
कोई बात नहीं सुंदर, हमें
तो
सुनाई दे रहा है.
हम दिख रहे हैं ना.
हाय दीदी. घर के बाहर जाना,
म्यूट कर दे.
घर के बाहर जाना पड़ेगा.
कोई बात नहीं.
घर के बाहर.
हाँ दिख रहे हो सुंदर तुम अब हमें. हाँ, सो बेसिकली आई वाज सेइंग कि ऐसा हाँ कई बार होता है कि आपको कोई आपको लगता है कि गिव अप कर देना चाहिए, अब तो ये नहीं होगा. और लेकिन क्या है कि व्हेन देयर आर सो मेनी पीपल, इतने सारे लोग जुड़ते हैं ना एक फिल्म बनाने के लिए, अगर आपको एक जगह से इंस्पिरेशन नहीं मिलता है तो दूसरी जगह से इंस्पिरेशन मिल ही जाता है. ऑल्सो जब इतने सारे लोग आप पे डिपेंड करते हैं कि ओके आप अपना काम करोगे, अगेन टीम वर्क है ना, तो आपने अपना काम किया तभी आगे वाला अपना काम कर पाएगा. तो ऐसे में फिर टू बी ऑनेस्ट ऑप्शन नहीं रहता है, तो करना पड़ता है. लाइफ है, कॉम्प्रोमाइज भी करना पड़ता है कई बार.
दीदी, after that can I ask some questions to you?
पिया?
दीदी.
yes पिया.
तो दीदी ओके,
नेक्स्ट एक सेकेंड, बॉम्बी दीदी बताएंगे अभी नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन कौन पूछेगा.
Okay, Pia, you can go ahead, but next time से बच्चा raise your hand, okay, so that I can see and choose. अभी you can.
So can I like I was asking that where have Somi Didi has worked, like in which movie, drama, like where?
Sure, I'll tell you. तो मैंने 17 फिल्मों में काम किया है. There is a casting director, his name is Mukesh Chhabra. I have worked primarily with him within his company as a casting director. I have worked on around 17 films. To be honest, मैं भी खुद खुद भी कभी कभी भूल जाती हूँ कि मैंने कितनी फिल्में की हैं, लेकिन जस्ट टू नेम अ फ्यू, बरेली की बर्फी, दंगल, हिंदी फिल्में ही की है मैंने ज्यादातर के। बरेली की बर्फी, दंगल, हैदर, बजरंगी भाईजान, ट्यूबलाइट, वीरे दी वेडिंग, मसान, बहुत फिल्में हैं ऐसे।
So Didi, like, what's if I tell that you will have an act in any film?
If you want to act in any film,
Didi, I also.
okay.
Didi, me too.
So I'll tell you how. If you want to act in films, the best thing to do would be to put together a profile, which means कि कुछ आपकी pictures, कुछ अगर आपने घर पे सीन वर्क किया है, कोई हिंदी फिल्म का सीन अगर आपको बहुत पसंद है तो आपने उसको अगर घर पे रिकॉर्ड किया है, एंड यू नीड टू सेंड इट टू द राइट पीपल। और ये जो अच्छे कास्टिंग डायरेक्टर्स होते हैं ना, जो लेजिट कास्टिंग डायरेक्टर्स होते हैं, दे आर ओनली अ हैंडफुल ऑफ देम। वैसे कुछ 6-7 ही लोग हैं, उनकी ईमेल आईडीज वगैरह जो है वो बहुत इजीली अवेलेबल होते हैं। एंड बिकॉज यू गाइज आर नॉट 18+, आप खुद तो ईमेल नहीं कर सकते, बट यू कैन आस्क योर पेरेंट्स टू ईमेल योर प्रोफाइल। इफ दे आर ओके विद इट, then you can email your profile.
My father says that.
Okay, I can't understand. One second.
Bachcha, not like this. One by one. Okay, not like this. किसी की आवाज नहीं आएगी. I will give turn. Wait ना. एक आंसर कंप्लीट होने दो.
So, where can we email?
That is, I will send the details to Bhumi Didi, and she can share those details with you all.
Hello, Bhumi Didi. Hello, Bhumi Didi.
Okay, Bachcha, wait. Okay, so I've muted everybody because you are not following the rules. Okay, this is not how you will ask. फिर कुछ समझ ही नहीं आएगा. I can see your hand raised on the side. I will pick you. अगर आप लोग आराम से करेंगे तो everybody will get turn to ask questions. Okay, so we will go like this. Okay, Palak, you are raising your hand. Palak wants to go next.
Yes, Didi. Hi, Didi. How are you? Hope you are fine. Didi, I want to ask you, who inspires you more, and who are your role models?
I'll tell you, I don't have one role model, but I have many. But having said that, I don't know if I don't think you guys have seen it yet because it's not a kids film. But I saw this film called Gangs of Wasseypur, and I got very inspired by it because I thought that this is a film which is very author backed and actors have made this film. Like अगर उस film की casting सही नहीं होती तो वो film शायद वैसी नहीं बनती जैसी बन के निकली है. So that is where I got inspired to get into casting and learn more about casting. So Anurag Kashyap yet. Only once you are 18 years old is when you can watch the film because उसमें बहुत सारा
Abusing
gore है. हाँ, correct. Yes.
Okay, Sanjana, you want to ask next?
Yes, Didi.
Yes.
Hi, Didi. My name is Sanjana. I'm from Loveflow School, and I have one question. Hi, and I have one question. You meet hero and heroines. Did you like to meet them?
Sanjana, I'll be honest. I have never been starstruck. मेरे लिए ना एक्टर्स वैसे ही हैं जैसे आप लोग हो. पता नहीं क्यों पर मुझे कभी अंदर से वो फीलिंग ही नहीं आया कि I always felt like ये तो मेरा काम है. तो yes, there are some of these people जो बचपन से आप भी देखते आ रहे हो. जैसे when I met Amir Khan, I was very, very impressed because you imagine them to be a certain way. And then when you meet them in person, you realize that, okay, and some of them are very nice. Most of them are very nice to talk to, and they are very creative people. So while I was happy to meet them, I would not I don't have pictures with them. You know what I mean? Because for some reason, जब आप उस माहौल में होते हो, तो आपको ये फील नहीं होता है कि वो लोग सुपरस्टार्स है या वो लोग सेलिब्रिटीज है. आपको फील होता है कि वो लोग टीम मेंबर्स हैं. तो आपको it's just another.
Hello, Didi. Which class is going on?
I can't hear. Sanjana, does that answer your question?
Yes. Thank you.
Didi, I have question. Can I
Preeti, wait, one by one, bacha. Shomi, few kids
Didi,
are
I
asking
have
on
question.
You have to raise your hand. I will not give you turn like this. Few kids are asking on the chat box कि क्या आपको कभी actors पे गुस्सा आया है?
If I be honest, हाँ आया है कभी-कभी आता है, because despite of giving many directions and despite of the director giving them directions, when they are not able to perform, गुस्सा आया है, लेकिन आप उसको एक्सप्रेस नहीं कर सकते. इट्स जस्ट लाइक बीइंग प्रोफेशनल ना. कई बार तो स्टूडेंट्स को भी टीचर पे गुस्सा आता है, लेकिन एट द एंड ऑफ द डे टीचर तो टीचर होता है, आप कुछ कर नहीं सकते. तो आई मीन हाँ, गुस्सा इज अ वेरी ह्यूमन इमोशन. क्यों नहीं आएगा, सबको आता है गुस्सा. लेकिन आपको पेशेंटली काम करना पड़ता है, एंड उसी चीज के हमको उसी चीज के लिए हमको हायर किया जाता है. इफ एवरीबडी कुड डू इट, देन एवरीबडी वुड डू इट. इट्स नॉट, आई थिंक 90% of the job to be a casting director is just to be patient and just to help people. And when you're helping people, there is no space for anger or frustration, correct? So basically that's what drives you, I think. But yeah, that's a great question. जिसने भी पूछा है, किसने पूछा था?
Harsh asked it.
Harsh, that's a very good question, Harsh.
Harshit. Okay, Harshit wants to. He's raising his hand. Harshit, you want to go next?
There is Harsh.
Yes.
Happy birthday,
Yes,
Harshit.
Thanks, Didi.
हाँ जी, पूछो.
Hello, Didi, I am not understanding.
Okay.
And मेरे को आपसे पूछना था दीदी, अगर आप जी टीवी में नहीं जाते तो आपको क्या लगता था आप इतनी बड़ी इंडस्ट्री बॉलीवुड में जा सकते थे?
यार वो क्या, अगर ये होता तो वो होता, बोलना बहुत मुश्किल है टू बी ऑनेस्ट. क्योंकि मेरे साथ के बहुत सारे ऐसे बच्चे मतलब मेरे कॉलीग्स हैं, सॉरी बच्चे नहीं है, बट मेरे साथ के, मेरे जैसे टीम में बहुत सारे ऐसे लोग हैं जिनका मीडिया में कोई बैकग्राउंड है नहीं, लेकिन जब उन्होंने किसी जॉब के लिए अप्लाई किया तो उन्होंने जिस तरीके से अपना कवर लेटर लिखा, या जब उन्होंने मुझे एक ईमेल भेजा, तो उसको पढ़ के ना एटलीस्ट मतलब इतना टाइम काम करके एक सेंस आ गया है मुझे कि who is passionate about doing this or who is serious about it. तो आई वुडेंट से कि नेसेसरी है कि अगर आपने किसी मीडिया हाउस में काम किया है तो ही जाके आपको ये सीढ़ी चढ़ने का मौका मिलेगा. बट हाँ, हैविंग सेड दैट, अगर मैं अपने पर्सनली खुद की बात करूं तो मैंने जी से काफी चीजें सीखी है. आई एम ऑलवेज थैंकफुल टू इट. बट टू बी ऑनेस्ट, you know how I got my casting job? I actually wrote a cold email to Anurag Kashyap and I told him, and I wrote on that email, उस email में मैंने लिखा कि these are my thoughts about casting, about Gangs of Wasseypur. और फिर मुझे उनके ऑफिस से 2-4 और सवाल मिले कि अगर आप इस फिल्म को डिफरेंटली कास्ट करते तो आप किसको कास्ट करते, और शायद मैंने बहुत गलत जवाब भी दिए होंगे. बट at what they could gauge at that time is that okay, I am passionate about it, I want to think about it, I spend time thinking about casting, and that is when they put me in touch with their casting director at the time, which was Mukesh Chhabra, and that is how I started. Does that answer your question, Harshit?
Yes.
Okay.
Gauri is very excited. She's saying, I can't control my happiness. Gauri, आपको पूछना है question?
Didi, can I ask?
Bacha, raise
Gauri,
your hands,
wait.
no? Okay, after Gauri, Preeti will ask, okay?
Where is Gauri?
Hi, Didi.
I can't see Gauri.
Hi, Didi.
Hi, Gauri.
I have a question that as a child, have you thought that you will become a casting director or something else?
No, Gauri, I had no idea also कि casting director क्या करता है. To be honest,
Didi,
as a child, I wanted to be a journalist, and then I was a very fickle child. मेरे को एक बार जर्नलिस्ट बनना था, फिर कुछ और बनना था, फिर शेफ बनना था, फिर योगा टीचर बनना था.
क्वेश्चन.
One second, Iram, I answered this question अभी थोड़ी देर पहले. Iram Zoya, I answered this question that I saw Gangs of Wasseypur and then I decided that I think I should get into casting. I can't hear, guys. I'm sorry.
Shami Didi, I have a
Bacha,
I can't.
Bacha, wait. Everybody has questions.
Let me answer Gauri's question.
एक question हो जाने दीजिए पहले.
So Gauri was asking me, what did Gauri ask me?
Didi, hand raise करके देखी थी.
हाँ?
Did you ever think that you should be a casting director?
Yeah. So I did not think that I should be a casting director. Only after I saw Gangs of Wasseypur is when I thought that okay, maybe this is something that I can do and this is something that I will be good at. Okay, now
Preeti, you can go next. Bacha, I'm trying to give turn to everybody. ठीक है? तो बीच में I can see your hands raised.
Did you do work in serials?
No, Preeti, I haven't worked in television. When I was working in television, I was not I couldn't fit in properly for some reason.
Did you do any acting?
No, Preeti.
Excuse me.
Casting directors and acting has nothing to do with if you want to be an actor, don't be a casting director.
Yeah. Excuse me.
Okay, Faizan, you can go next.
Didi, make me co-host now for 1 minute.
No, I'm not making anybody co-host. But you have to wait for your turn. Okay, nobody will disturb in between, बच्चा. वरना time हम लोग का खत्म हो जाएगा. Yes, Faizan.
Hi, Kwame Didi. 3 questions.
Hi.
Didi, I have 3 questions. My name is Hi Didi.
Okay, tell me.
Didi,
One question first.
Ask one
Didi,
question.
you are married?
Yes, I'm married. Yes.
What is your husband's name?
My husband's name is Tushar Joshi. He's a musician and he's a singer.
And the second question.
Okay.
Faizan, one by one.
Okay. Didi,
Okay, we'll try to give turn to everybody. Time बचेगा तो then we'll come back to you. Pakka promise. Okay, Nihalika, you can go next.
Yes. Hello, Shami Didi.
Hi.
My name is Nihalika. So I want to ask you a question. If I want to become an actor, so which quality do you see in the actors while choosing them?
Yes, Didi.
Acting, I think, is number 1. Actors need to learn acting. See, also you have to understand that if you want to be an actor, especially in a city like Bombay, people come very prepared. Okay, so if you actually really want to be an actor, YouTube is a great place to learn. Nobody really needs to invest a single penny anymore to learn how to act. But don't get into acting thinking that it's very easy and anybody can do it, and that's why I want to do it. Nihalika, there are many master classes available even for children on YouTube that you can learn, that you can see and learn from. You can read books. Don't think that acting कोई भी कर सकता है and इसके लिए it's easier. It looks from the outside, it looks so easy that a lot of people come into the profession with the wrong intention. So if you want to be an actor, I think what I look for is acting. As simple as that. And that means that can you convince me that what you are telling me is the truth? As simple as that.
Okay, Didi, thank you.
Didi, excuse me.
Okay, Saif, you can go next.
Didi, excuse me.
Who is
Yes,
Saif?
Saif.
दीदी एक फिल्म के एक पिक्चर को बनने में कितना टाइम लगता है?
सैफ, बहुत डिपेंड करता है फिल्म का साइज क्या है, स्केल क्या है. जैसे दंगल जैसी फिल्म जो है उसको कास्ट करने में बहुत टाइम लगता है, क्योंकि उसमें आप नए लोगों को ढूंढ रहे हो जो रेसलिंग भी कर सके, जो एक्टिंग भी कर सके। फिजिकल राउंड्स होते हैं, एक्टिंग के राउंड्स अलग होते हैं, तो डिपेंड करता है फिल्म कैसी है। जैसे बरेली की बर्फी है, वो बहुत जल्दी कास्ट हो गई क्योंकि इट्स अ कॉमेडी फिल्म, इट्स इजियर टू कास्ट। लेकिन कई बार होता है फिल्म कास्ट करने में 1-1 साल भी लग जाता है।
Oh my God.
Oh, even I didn't know that. 1 year.
Yeah.
Didi, can I ask?
Okay. Whoever is unmuting and saying, I'm not choosing you. Okay.
Thank you.
Okay.
I think we should go back to the top of line because the hands have been raised for a while. Fuzel, you have a question, na?
Didi, I have a question.
Let him ask. His hand is raised for a very long time.
Fuzel?
Yes, miss.
हाँ, you
have
can
a
ask
question?
your question.
मैं अपनी लाइफ पे एक मोमेंट बताना चाहता हूँ।
जी।
मुझे एक सीरियल में लिए थे बारहवीं नाम के। उस सीरियल में मैं सिलेक्ट नहीं हो पाया क्योंकि मैं उस टाइम पे एग्जाम था, इसलिए मैं घर पर आ गया।
अच्छा, कैसा था आपका एक्सपीरियंस ऑडिशन देने का?
बहुत एंजॉय किया था मैंने उसमें।
चलो, दैट्स गुड।
मैंने
दैट्स गुड। तब तक मजा आता है जब तक आप एंजॉय कर रहे हो। एक्टिंग ऐसी चीज है जो अगर आप एंजॉय नहीं कर रहे हो ना तो आप कर भी नहीं पाओगे। करेक्ट? अगर आप एंजॉय कर रहे हो तो आप दूसरों को कन्विंस कर सकते हो। अगर आप एंजॉय नहीं कर रहे हो तो आप बेमन से करोगे तो आपको भी मजा नहीं आएगा और देखने वाले को भी मजा नहीं आएगा। थैंक यू फॉर शेयरिंग फुजेल। थैंक यू फॉर शेयरिंग योर एक्सपीरियंस।
Okay, Maz, you can go next.
Yes, Maz.
Didi, I have a question. Why are you learn movies and drama? Why are you learn?
सॉरी, मेरे को क्वेश्चन थोड़ा सा समझ में नहीं आया।
दीदी, मेरा ये क्वेश्चन है, आप मूवी के अंदर आपको क्यों मजा आता है? Why are you learn?
Yeah, that's a good question. मैंने खुद भी नहीं सोचा कभी यार इस बारे में कि क्यों मजा आता है। पता नहीं, मैंने शायद मैंने पढ़ाई भी इसी चीज की है। मैंने मीडिया स्टडीज पढ़ाई किया है। तो मैंने मीडिया स्टडीज पढ़ाई भी इसलिए चूज किया था क्योंकि मैं बहुत फिल्में देखती थी और बचपन से बहुत बचपन से बहुत फिल्में देखी है। हिंदी फिल्में इतनी शायद नहीं देखी थी, लेकिन बंगाली फिल्में देखी, सत्यजीत रे की फिल्में देखी है। पेरेंट्स ने काफी एक्सपोज किया था सिनेमा से। फिर जब मैं कॉलेज में गई तो वहां पे भी बहुत फिल्में देखी। तो आई ऑनेस्टली डोंट नो एनीथिंग एल्स। मैंने सीए करने का भी ट्राई किया था मास, लेकिन जिस दिन किताबें आई घर पे उसी दिन मैं समझ गई कि ये तो मेरे इंटरेस्ट का है ही नहीं। तो आई थिंक पता नहीं, आई डोंट नो एक्चुअली, आई डोंट नो द एग्जैक्ट मोमेंट जब मुझे लगा कि यही करना चाहिए। बट ओवर टाइम मैंने ये जरूर किया है कि अगर मुझे किसी चीज में इंटरेस्ट था, अगर मुझे फिल्म्स में इंटरेस्ट था तो मैंने सीरियसली पढ़ाई किया उस तरह। मैंने ये नहीं किया कि मुझे इंटरेस्ट है लेकिन इस बारे में कुछ करना नहीं है या मेहनत नहीं करनी है।
Okay, thank you, Didi.
Thank you. Okay,
Sundar, you want to ask?
Hello,
Sundar.
hello, Didi. Hello, Didi.
Hi.
My question to you. Hi.
बताइए।
Didi, my question to you.
Yes.
Do you get time to talk your parents because you are very busy?
I get time. Now I get time. जब शुरुआत में बहुत when I was trying to do everything, trying to do as much work as possible, तब शायद इतना मेरे को टाइम मैं निकाल नहीं पाती थी। तो भी मतलब 5 मिनट तो निकाल ही देती थी दिन में। लेकिन अभी I have found the right balance also of work and personal life. तो अभी हो जाता है मैनेज।
Didi, can I?
Yes.
Okay. Mantasha.
Didi, after Mandisha कहना है.
But this Ritik,
Didi, one more question.
Okay, Mantasha. Sundar, इसके बाद. One by one. Okay. Mantasha, Bacha, you can go next.
Okay. Hi, Didi.
Hi.
Didi, I have a question. So, you have working in a film, like, so have you ever met any actors?
Yeah, Mantasha, that's part of my job. I meet actors.
Obviously. So, can you tell me which actor?
Hi, Vidisha.
I'll be honest, I've met a lot of actors. That is my job only. Some of these actors you may not know of. Some of these actors are big stars.
Didi, can we also meet, like, if you can?
You know, I should connect with Bhomi on that separately and see if we can get somebody to join you guys one day. But no promises. I'm not making any promises right now. We'll discuss that later.
Okay.
Okay. Arya, you want to ask next?
Didi, can I next?
Didi, I was there, Ritika.
Okay. After Arya, Afreen. If you unmute yourself, I'm not giving you chance.
Anji.
Arya.
Hello, Didi.
Hi, Arya.
I am Arya. I want to.
Everybody mute their mics other than Arya. Yes, Arya.
Okay.
Hello.
I have muted everybody. बोलना होगा तो आप लोग unmute करिए. Otherwise, don't.
दीदी मैं लीव हो जाऊंगी क्योंकि मेरे सिस्टर का एग्जाम.
Fariya, we can't hear you. Arya, can you unmute yourself and ask your question?
Fariya, type on the chat box and Arya, you ask your question.
Yes, Didi.
Ask.
Hi, Didi. I want to ask you the question. I also want to go film. So what I want to do in the film? What we have to study?
Okay. There is a website called Google, Sanya. You need to go to Google and you need to read everything possible about film courses, filmmaking courses. But as I said, it's not compulsory to go to a college or an institute. You can also self-learn these things. There are certificate courses that you can do sitting at home now. And also, you know, the biggest example we have is technology itself, is YouTube itself. You'll see so many of these YouTubers, and when we had TikTokers who are doing this without any formal training, right? And millions of people are watching them. So, to be honest, if you want to make a film, there is nothing stopping you. We all have our phones. It has a functional camera. Creativity does not really know any boundaries anymore.
Okay, Didi. Thank you.
Afreen, बच्चा आप next पूछिए.
जी. Didi, as which year you start acting?
Afreen, unmute करना पड़ेगा बच्चा.
Yes, Didi. Hi, Didi. I am Afreen. I am in 5th grade Govindnagar PS English School. I want to ask, can you don't feel sometime sad or bored when you are working?
Yeah, I think I answered that question also. Yeah, there are sometimes when you are not feeling very inspired, or something that you worked on does not look the way you thought it will, or it does not do well, or if there is a film on which you worked for a very long time, but when the film comes out, people don't watch it, or people don't like it. And you know how review works, right? People write about things that they did not like, and a lot of times they write about the casting and how the casting is not right. Yes, there are times when you feel, but I think that happens with everybody, right? There is a doctor would also go through the same thing.
Didi, can you feel alone?
No, Baba. Luckily, I don't feel alone, because work is not everything. You have to remember that. You have family, you have friends. It's very important to balance work with your personal life. because you are working to live, you are not living to work. So it's very important to balance your life and remember that you're working to. That's why I think in the questions that Bhumi sent me, if you don't mind, I would like to answer that question. It says that
Thank you.
what is your ultimate goal or something like that? What is your big ambition? I think Bhumi, you asked, I think I received that in as one of the questions.
Yeah.
Which says, what is my big ambition? The funny thing is that I am not a very ambitious person. I just like to do my job with full sincerity. अगर कल को मैं typist भी होती तो I would aim to become like a very good typist. But that does not mean that the aim of my life is to become a typist. At the end of the day, my big ambition is that when I finally retire, when I'm having one cup of tea sitting in my house, I am at peace, and I feel like while professional achievements do define you to a certain extent, and your work does define you to a certain extent, it is also very important that you have some close friends around you, you have your family around you, and you have people who love you, and you also love other people. It's very important.
Didi, I ask. Didi.
Okay. Gaurav Yadav can go next.
दीदी गौरव यादव के बाद मैं.
सृष्टि not like this. ऐसे तो क्लास में भी टर्न नहीं मिलता.
दीदी मैंने हैंड रेज करके रखा है.
हाँ, so you will have to wait ना बच्चा. Everybody is waiting.
Didi, I want to tell.
Okay, Gaurav Yadav.
Yes, Didi.
Yes, Gaurav.
गौरव आपने म्यूट कर लिया, अनम्यूट करिए.
Yes, Didi, sorry. Hello, Didi, my name is Gaurav Yadav and I have two questions today. My first question is that what keeps you motivated every time?
Okay. What keeps me motivated is that I'm part of a team. If I was not answerable to other people, if I was not responsible to enable other people to do their jobs, I would probably not be as motivated, because as I just said, it's not like I'm a very ambitious person. I just like sincerity, and I feel like when you're responsible internally, that motivates you. Responsibility motivates me.
Didi, I want to tell.
Okay. Ayush will ask next. Gaurav, next but a second question later. Okay, we'll give one question to everybody first. Okay. Okay, Ayush, you can ask, bacha.
Didi, my name is Ayush.
Hi.
Didi, how are you feeling when your film is released?
I feel like let's move on to what's next. I don't think about it so much. I try not to.
Okay, Hina is raising her hand.
Yes, Hina.
Hina, you'll have to unmute, bacha. अब आपने फिर से म्यूट कर लिया. हाँ.
Hi Didi, my name is Hina and I want to ask you that in ZTV how many programs did you release?
Hina, I did not work on fiction shows on ZTV. I used to handle something very different entirely. उस network में 37-40 channels है, तो उन्होंने मुझे 4-5 channels में काफी shuffle किया, और I have worked in ZTV only for 2 years. So to be honest, I was not very good at my job maybe at ZTV. That's why I was always wanting to do something else, and that's why I wanted to move to casting. But I have not worked on any of these TV serials or these big reality shows. I used to do small magazine snippets on channels like Zing and ETC Bollywood Business and all of that.
Okay. Aditi.
Didi, now can I?
Aditi wants to go next.
Hi, Shami Didi.
Hi.
Miss Aditi. and I am from Shrigita Vidyalaya School.
Okay.
And I want to ask that how did you start your career?
How did I start?
Your
How
career.
did you start your career and how did you reach here?
Okay. I started my career, as I mentioned earlier, by writing that one email. But how did I reach here is it's with the help of a lot of people around me also. With certain people also trusting me at a very early age. So it's also finding the right mentors at the right time and also delivering certain amount of work. जो मुझे काम दिया गया था उन लोगों को शायद लगा कि मैंने ठीक से किया है. And it's not like you will not make mistakes. That's just impossible. But the intention of working towards a goal should be there and people can see it. The people you're working with and working for are very smart people. They can see through these things. So how I came to this point is basically by just working very, very hard when I started out. And I also got, to be honest, I also got lucky that I got to work with a lot of very good directors who put their trust in me. So it's not just me, it's also certain external factors. And I'll be honest, I don't know ये news में आजकल क्या आ रहा है film industry के बारे में, but 99.9% of the people you meet are very nice people. So nobody would want to bring you down. People are rooting for you. People want you to do well. So I think that adds up to it.
Great. But you see how Shomi Didi is talking about hard work, and now you can see why we push you to work hard.
There is no shortcut, for sure. There is zero shortcuts. I have also tried in my day and age. I have also tried to take shortcut. It doesn't work.
Excuse me, Didi.
Faizan has sent me a question. Faizan, I'll just answer that because it's a good question. He wants to ask how to become a graduate in drama and like acting schools, and is it important to speak in English when you're an actor? No, it is not important to know English when you're an actor. The biggest examples are Nawazuddin Siddiqui, Irfan Khan, and many of the actors that you know. I mean, Mr. Amitabh Bachchan, I mean, come on, he's a legend, right? So if he never depended on the language, then why should you? Secondly, it is a Hindi film industry. If you want to become a Hindi language actor, it's important for you to know Hindi and nothing else. Sorry, let me just finish answering the question. Secondly, Faizan also asked that how to become a graduate in drama. There are handful of college, there is National School of Drama, which is the national acting school. There is also FTII in Pune, which is Film and Television Institute of India. Both these institutes have great programs. Both these institutes also have a lot of scholarships in place. Other than that, there are also a lot of credible, good private institutes, and those institutions also have many scholarships. I myself had a small scholarship, but I did have a scholarship when I was doing my master's. So, I mean, you honestly don't even need a counselor. You can find these things over the internet also, that if you really want to graduate. Having said that, there are a lot of scam schools out there. So it is important that once you've made up your mind, you do enough research and you try and connect with a few ex-students to find out how good these colleges are and what are the alumni doing. मतलब जो बच्चे already वहाँ से pass out करके निकल चुके हैं, where are they placed? How was their experience, and so on and so forth.
Makes sense.
Didi,
Okay.
Didi, can I please?
Shahrukh and then Anshika. But
Didi,
not
can I
always.
please? Didi, please.
No, whoever is
Didi,
saying
can I?
get a chance. No. Shahrukh got a chance.
Shahrukh, you have to unmute yourself.
Hi, Didi.
Hi.
My name is Shahrukh, and I ask you questions. One question: you have problem to choose character?
Yeah, sometimes two actors are so good that it's a very difficult choice to make. But thankfully, I don't have to make that decision alone. The director is the captain of the ship, and then whatever the director decides, we go with that. Having said that, a lot of times it's not very easy to tell people no. That is part of the job, unfortunately. A lot of times, अभी जैसे फॉर एग्जाम्पल अगर किसी फिल्म की कास्टिंग कर रहे हैं, जैसे मैं अभी आपको बता रही थी, हमने 400 एक्टर्स को ऑडिशन किया है, लेकिन रोल तो एक ही है. तो वो जो 399 लोगों को मना करना पड़ता है, वो हम ही को करना पड़ता है. अनफॉर्चुनेटली इट्स पार्ट ऑफ द जॉब. बट अगेन इट हैपेंस इन ऑल प्रोफेशंस. It's never like always happy and hunky dory. Sometimes you have to be the bearer of bad news, और बोलना पड़ता है उनको कि unfortunately आपका नहीं हो पाया है, and that's never a nice thing to deliver the news, but करना पड़ता है. It's part of the job.
Thank you.
Anshika, you have to unmute yourself.
Okay, Didi. So my name is Ansika, and I have a question that what are the challenges that you face in your own, like in your whole life, not only when you were the casting director, like when were
That's a very good question, Anshika, actually. Sometimes I'll tell you one of the bigger challenges of this job, because it's such a personalized job and you have to be here to deliver the job, because people hire you, right? So it's not like you can pass it on to other people to do it for you. A lot of times you are your own employee and you are your own boss. So one of the challenges is to, again, balance personal life with professional life, because the reason is the same that I'm telling you. It's because you have to be there. So a lot of times you miss out on many birthdays, many events in personal life, and that sacrifice is a challenge. I look at it as an obstacle because I am not the kind of person who would want to give up a birthday party for work, but I do that. it's non-negotiable, वो करना ही पड़ता है. तो आप कई बार पर्सनल लाइफ की चीजें शायद आपको प्रायोरिटी पे ना करके आपको काम को पहले करना पड़ता है. That is one of the challenges. The other challenge is to be taken seriously, because when I started, I was very young. I started casting when I was, say, around 21 or 22. So people would not rely on you with big responsibilities because they feel that was my personal experience. It may not necessarily apply to everybody, but a lot of times, till the time people are talking to me over the phone, they will take me seriously. But if they meet me, they will see that, okay, ये 5 फुट की छोटी सी लड़की है, ये कैसे हैंडल करेगी इतनी सारी responsibility. So I think that was my appearance was another challenge for me, because I look like a 13-year-old boy. Now it's better, but I used to look like a 13-year-old boy. So that was one challenge for me, to be taken seriously, and that's, you can only change that perception with work and more work and then more work. Also I think communication is a primary part of this job. अगर आपने, if you speak less and when you speak you make sense, I think people will take you seriously. So I think these are, I don't see them as challenges. Yeah, I see them as challenge is a very big word.
I read your so in the book Wonder Girls, I read your this big challenge of when you had to choose Munni for Bajrangi Bhaijaan.
Yeah.
Also
because mommy, absolutely. Interested. So the thing is that when you are, Hanji Aryan.
Didi, I am Aryan. दीदी, आपने बजरंगी भाईजान मूवी में जिस सलमान खान को सिलेक्ट किया था, करेक्ट? तो
नहीं, वो सलमान was already there. Everybody else we cast.
लेकिन उसमें सलमान खान सर के हम शकल ने भी काम किया था.
जी, करेक्ट.
और
we found him.
I still दीदी उनका नाम क्या था?
मुझे अभी तो याद नहीं है, पर आपको
मेरे को मालूम है।
अच्छा,
नजीम खान।
हाँ, नजीम, yes, correct, you are right.
From Afghanistan.
Yes, you are correct. So regarding the kids ना, एक तो क्या होता है ना, जब आप बच्चों की कास्टिंग करते हो ना भूमि, तो उनको मना करना भी उतना ही मुश्किल होता है, बिकॉज जितना टाइम आपको ढूंढने में लगता है, यू हैव टू रिमेम्बर कि उतने ही लोगों को हमें मना भी करना पड़ता है. सो while it was very exciting to tell the little girl who got it, while it was very exciting to tell her that okay, you are going to be a part of this film, it was heartbreaking to tell, क्योंकि ये सब छोटे छोटे 4 से 6 साल की सब प्यारी प्यारी बच्चियां थी, तो उनको जब मना करने में ना, मुझे like I was feeling so bad, मुझे रोना आ रहा था कि oh my god, how am I going to tell all of them कि okay. But the thing is that the director of the film, Kabir Khan, handled it so well. He handled it really well, because he threw like this small party for all the kids and he told them how great they are, and like I was also there, and it was just like a very good moment, and he made sure that all of them could go at least meet Salman, at least the top shortlist could go meet him, say hello, and so they went happily. Like none of them was sad, they were just happy to be part of the process, and they were left with a lot of encouragement at the end of the day.
Shami, so some of our kids also went for, audition and these things. So can you like tell them ki when it's a no, how can they deal with it? Because they take it personally and feel bad. Would you like to throw some light on that?
I'll be honest, anybody because I think acting is the hardest job on earth. पहली बात तो एक्टिंग करना जितना आसान दिखता है, बहुत बहुत मुश्किल है दूसरे लोगों के सामने इतने कन्विक्शन के साथ आपको अपने आप को प्रेजेंट करना. इट्स वेरी हार्ड. तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आपको अपने ब्रेन में ये बात डाल लेनी है कि अगर आप ऑडिशन पे गए हो तो ही आप विनर हो. यू आर ऑलरेडी अ विनर. जस्ट बाय बीइंग देयर यू आर ऑलरेडी अ विनर. एंड डोंट लुक एट इट लाइक आपको नहीं मिला है. आप ये मत सोचो क्योंकि मुझे वो पार्ट नहीं मिला है. इसको स्पोर्ट्समैन स्पिरिट कहते हैं. आप जब क्रिकेट खेलते हो आप कभी कभी हार जाते हो, कभी कभी आपका छक्का लग जाता है, लेकिन आप ये नहीं सोचते हो ना क्योंकि मैं हार गया हूँ क्योंकि मैं बुरा हूँ. आपको लगता है कि वो जीता है क्योंकि उसने छक्का मारा है. इट्स द सेम थिंग विद कास्टिंग ऑल्सो. इफ somebody has got a part, then they must have done slightly better than you maybe. And sometimes, honestly, it is not even about casting, especially with kids. If you are playing somebody's son, you're playing somebody's daughter, if you're playing somebody's nephew, niece, or whatever, they also need to see the family.
Didi, मैं live करूँ?
Yes, Abhi, you wait for 10 minutes, okay? Gauri has asked a very interesting question, Shami, in the chat box. So, बच्चा आप लोग chat box में भी लिख सकते हैं क्योंकि time कम है. She's asking, as we see,
Mommy, I can't hear you.
Gender discrimination in the job. Am I audible now?
Yes. Sanya, don't spam the chat box. We'll get to your question. Sorry, you were asking if there is gender discrimination to the job. Can you guys hear me?
Yes, Shami, Bhomi asked the same question.
You are audible.
Okay. I see Bhomi in like two different.
Yeah, because my internet is unstable. So
no problem. So I'll be.
You have faced gender discrimination in the work that you do.
I'll be honest. I don't know if it is. Yes, I have. A lot of times, especially when I'm traveling. Not everybody you are interacting with is coming from the same background or the same experiences. So a lot of times it's very difficult to explain while yes, there is gender discrimination because of the amount of people that you interact with. जब आप travel करते हो तो कई बार होता है ऐसे that people will not take you as seriously because of their own set of experiences. It's not you really, and a lot of times there are their own presumptions about a woman going out there looking for actors. Just I mean, honestly, these things are beyond your control, and the best thing that you can do is there is no harm in asking for a little help from people around you. And just again, if you communicate clearly what are you there for, what are you looking to do, I think it's fine. I mean, yes, there is gender discrimination, but I feel like with time and with enough experience, you learn how to tackle it.
Nice. Okay, we are running short of time. Drishti, you can quickly ask your question.
Didi, I want to ask. Hi, Didi.
Hi. Yes, Drishti.
Didi, I want to ask that if I love acting and I try to do acting, and Didi, if I want to act in some serial or movie, so what I have to do? Like, how can I be an actor?
Okay, I think we've covered this question before also, is that you need to work on your craft. You need to learn and keep learning more and more about acting. As I said, YouTube is a great teacher. There are many master classes that you can attend, and you also can need to identify the right people to get in touch with. Sanya, you had a question, I think, now, because you've been asked. Sanya, you have to unmute yourself.
Bacha, unmute kariye.
Hello.
Hi, Sanya. Yes.
What is
your name?
Yes, Sanya.
Hi, Didi. My name is Sanya Khan.
Hi. Yes.
And I have to ask a question that when you get a chance to present, to get an audition, so how was your react and what is your feelings?
No, but I take auditions. I don't give auditions. Nah. You know, my reaction to my job is just like, say, your reaction to going to school would be. It's just another day of work for me. I don't have like, of course, I'm grateful that I have a job and I have a job that I like, but that's pretty much it for me. I don't get wrapped up in that. Otherwise, you can't do your job, na?
And Didi, when you feel sorrowful and miserable because you cannot get the time to spend with your family, so you feel sad?
Yeah, I do feel sad, of course. Like initially, now I'm married, of course, so I live with my husband. But there was time when I was living alone in Bombay, and Bombay is a very big city. It can make you feel very lonely at times. And but yeah, I try not to let. I do a lot of yoga. I need external, basically feel better, to take care of my own mental health. I need to take out 5 to 10 minutes of my day to just take care of myself. And yeah, I need to also, as I said earlier, the goal is not to drown yourself in work to be successful. The goal is basically, sorry, 1 second. Sorry, I'm just putting my laptop charge. Yeah, so the goal is not to basically drown yourself in work to be successful. The goal is to make your life full and balanced. Does that answer your question, Sanya?
Hi, Shomi. Can you hear me?
Yes, hi.
Yeah, so Bhomi and I, we teach theatre to most of the kids here. So do you have something to tell these kids who are already in theatre? Because, you know, some of them keep on asking us, कि दीदी अगर सिनेमा में जाना होगा तो फिर उसमें क्या करना होगा? So, you know, a lot of them are really into acting. So can you like tell them something, anything?
So I actually, like, I was not aware of the enthusiasm that is there for acting. I will definitely connect offline with Bhumi Ekbar, and I will definitely try and figure out if there is a way to connect with the right people and to do, to put, like, for the right casting directors to come out here and meet the kids. That will be great.
Yeah, that would be really great.
Secondly, I think the as I was saying earlier, that there are many legit master classes that are out there to explore, and which are again free of cost, and it's really cool. Okay, like they really teach you the basics of acting. Having said that, the responsibility of being enthusiastic versus pursuing something is so different, and the best thing is that at this age you can do both. So I think, having said that, definitely a few rules, because I've worked a lot with kids, is always keep the parents posted. Guardian has to be there when the kid is going to do a test, because there are only a handful of legitimate casting directors out there. Do not it's very easy to get wrapped up in the emotion and get excited and meet the wrong people. Without explaining further on that, I would definitely love to help you with those contacts, and with who are the right people to connect with, for sure.
Yeah. Thank you so much.
Didi has
Great.
I just need to come in for a minute, because we already lost our time and we'd like to respect Shawmi's time. So
thank you so much. It was really, really great to just interact here.
Thank you so much, Shawmi, for your time. But
thank you for inviting
time
me.
Is up. It was a great experience. Like, you can already see the enthusiasm. They still want to ask questions.
I will make more time very, very soon, and I will definitely.
Didi, I